So here is the light crude market. As we move into the energies, we're getting a pullback in here. Barclays came out and made some negative comments on the oil market, saying that they thought it was going lower. I think that, you know, there's if you look at this great big gray ideal cycle right over there, pointing to the low. It's out in, if I highlight this, this is out in August. So, you know, we think we're going to see a choppy market. I have thought that the 66 was going to be the high for the year. It's still potential that that'll be the case. Coming down the way this looks right now, based on the weekly chart in alignment on the daily chart, so that's this decline right in here that we're looking at, that's really strong when you see that. Even though you got that red bar, that points to maybe another week. And when I look at the daily chart, you can see in here, support comes in just above the 64 area. So it's now in the slim ribbon, momentum is positive, and we'll be looking for this choppy downward action for this next week or a little bit more before it resumes. Now, if that occurs, then that next upside move will be a tell for us, because we want to see how much it can rally during one of those rally phases. This cycle right over here, and you see our note here a week ago to our subscribers, was that, you know, geopolitical fears were helping it, and during this declining period right here, it couldn't decline. And then it broke through this VTL, which I just put in there, and the VTL valid trend line is a cyclical signal that we put in there, and once it broke out, you could see it moved up there pretty strongly. So that's the pattern we're looking at. We think it'll dip down into these support zones and then be moving back to the upside, and that upside will be a test for us. I'm sure you've noticed my style of charting is different from most analysts. It's called cycle analysis, and I've been studying this style of analysis for 43 years. Now you can learn it. In fact, you can bring this into your own research. I have just finished recording our cycle analysis workshop. These are 20 video modules that are going to take you through a very great step-by-step process to learn this style of charting. You're going to learn how to take a very basic chart that looks, well, like this, and then take it with each of these steps to get it to look like this or this. This is an amazing difference and a ton of information that comes to you off of those charts as you learn to project forward in time and price. Not only are there 20 videos, but there's also over 20 videos that we attach from our video library that are supportive to these lessons. It's going to be a whole different way that you look at charts. In fact, you will never look at charts the same way as you do right now after you take this workshop. It's going to improve your entries and exits, it's going to raise your win-loss ratio, and it's going to greatly improve your odds of success as a trader or self-directed investor. Go to the front page of AskSlim.com, go to the bottom of that page, you'll see a puzzle piece that says Cycle Analysis Workshop, and just click on that and register. You're only going to be able to do that till April 1st to get this 30% discount. After that, we're going to be at full price selling it there. So make sure you get on our waiting list, and once you sign up, then around April 1st, we're going to send you a special link to go to that page for you to get all the information about it and then sign up for that great price. It's a great investment, and it will make a huge difference in your career going forward. Thanks for listening.